Hi, it's Brad. Welcome back to my channel. I have a quick show and tell on making a hammer. I've made several over the years. Uh, Making one, I do some with rocks. This particular one, we found kind of an interesting turned leg of some kind, and then put it on this is a rubber foot panel for some kind of a walker. And so we capped this end of this peg with the walker end. We bent the paint stir stick. I glued up 3 paint stir sticks for the handle, and I pre-glued them, looking for a popsicle stick. Here we go. A guy would think he'd have a lot of those. So you want to spread the glue out the whole way. I have a line, see right there, that I need to stop at. And that's going to allow more wood surface to come in contact with each other. Because these are the same size, you don't want to start sliding that in from the end. You can, but you want to, by doing that, you'll scrape off the glue as it slides. So what you need to do is open up the jaws, so to speak, and allow that to go in there without scraping off the glue. This particular hammer, I'm going to allow the head of the hammer to swivel. Okay. Line that up. And then clamp it. More clamps are typically better. It just allows more pressure to squeeze the glue into the wood fibers. Okay. So that's kind of the tail end of this. And from here, I'll line this up off camera, so to speak, a little bit better. I'll sand it. I'll put a hole through here. Here's one I glued up yesterday. In this particular case, okay, so in this case, it's a kind of a 2-step process. I glued up all of the bent wood, including the shims. And the last gluing will be for the main shaft of the handle and epoxy around this part. Otherwise, if you try to glue up the bent wood and epoxy and this handle all at once, you'll be cursing and swearing by the time that you're done, because it will be a mess. Plus a mess with 2 different types of glue. So you want to glue up the perimeter bent wood first, and then go after the epoxy and the main part. Just narrow down your focus. This one was made once again with some kind of a table bumper thing and some plumbing parts. And you can make it heavier by putting dimes in there. I think dimes fit, pennies are too big. Okay, much to show and tell. Please enjoy on me. Thanks.